File number one. So in this video, let's determine if your function is even, odd, or neither. So in figuring out whether your function is even, odd, or neither of the two, you need to substitute negative x first. That's it. You need to substitute negative x first. So let's just say I have uh, f of x is equals to x squared plus 1. All right. And I have the other one, f of x is equals to x cubed minus x. And then here I have f of x is equals to x squared minus 2x plus 1. So our goal here is to substitute negative x inside of the function. So let's substitute negative x here. All right. So let's try that. If I would substitute negative x here, this would become negative x squared plus 1. So this would be what? X squared plus 1. Okay? Oops. Why am I drawing it with color? Okay. Next is this. Okay. Let me write it here. Negative x. So if I substitute negative x inside the x, well, that would be like negative x raised to 3 minus negative x. So this would be negative x cubed plus x. And lastly, for this one, okay, if I substitute negative x, I will have negative x squared minus 2 times negative x plus 1. So this is what? X squared plus 2x plus 1. Okay, now let's take a look. First, in this example, we have x squared plus 1. And look at this one. Okay, we substitute negative x inside of the x here. I substitute negative x inside of the x here. Okay, so in this case, what will happen? All right, if I would substitute this one, okay, with negative x, it's still the same. X squared plus 1. So meaning no signs are changed. It's just the same as the original. So these two, okay, have the same signs in each of the terms. Therefore, this is an even function. Even function exists if there is no changes of signs. Or let's just say of all, of signs in all terms. Next, in the second example, we have x cubed minus x. If we substitute negative x here, right here, what would happen? So this one, okay, we already substituted and we have negative x cubed plus x. What's the difference between the original function and the function that the input is negative x? So you see, each term nagbago yung sign. Each term nagbago. Ito positive siya, di ba? Kasi ito negative. Tingnan mo to. This is what? Negative. Ito positive. Ito, yung x cube positive siya, pero dito negative. Dito negative siya, pero dito positive. So meaning all terms, okay, are changed in terms of signs. So if all terms are changed due to their signs, that's already what you call as odd. Odd basically changes the signs, in all terms. All right. Then how about this one? Let's compare this x squared minus 2x plus 1. So if I substitute negative x here, this one is positive x squared, this one is positive 2x, and this one is 1. So let's take a look closely. Tingnan nyo to. Ito, positive. Ito, positive pa rin. Ito, negative. Pero ito, nagiging positive. Ito, positive. Pero ito, positive. So meaning, in this function, only one of the term changes its signs. Should this be called odd or even? The answer is neither. Okay, neither. Okay. So neither because, wait, hold on. Neither because, hold on. Not all signs are changed. Yes. That's why here, even, okay, no changes of signs in all terms. So pares lang sign from original to the new working function. Odd if all of the signs are changed. Okay. And here, neither, not all. Okay, not all. Okay na? So let's go here. Y is equals to x plus 1. So let's substitute uh, negative x inside of this function. So if we have y is equals to x plus 1, then we would have y is equals to negative x plus 1. So look at this one. Does all signs change? The answer is no. Only one. This term changes its sign except for the constant. Therefore, this is neither. Okay? Neither. It's neither an even function or an odd function. So it's neither. Next, how about this one? Okay. So if we have y is equals to x squared minus 1, and then we substitute a negative x. If we substitute here with negative x, this would be like negative x squared minus 1. So this would be x squared minus 1. So now let's take a look at the difference between the two. So you see, we have x squared minus 1 and x squared minus 1. Are they both the same? The answer is yes, because no signs are changed. Therefore, this is what? An even function. Okay, even function. Okay, next. How about this one? X squared minus 2x. So let's substitute negative x in here. All right, so we will have negative x squared minus 2 times negative x. So we will have x squared plus 2x. Now let's observe. Okay, are all signs changed? Okay, so from the first function we have x squared minus 2x. Okay, and here we have x squared plus 2x. So ang nagbago lang is yung dulo, which is si negative 2x, hindi yung una. So therefore, what is this? This is again neither an even function or an odd function. Neither. Okay. Next. How about this one? This one is long but still worth it. Let's substitute negative x. So we will have negative x cubed minus 3 times negative x squared plus 2 times negative x plus 1. So we will have negative x cubed plus, no, sorry. It's not plus, it's still minus. So this is negative x squared minus 2x plus 1. Now let's observe. So we have x cubed here, and in this one we have negative x cubed. The next term, negative 3x squared, ito, negative 3x squared pa rin siya. Here we have positive 2x, and and here we have negative 2x. And here we have 1, and here we just have the same one. So meaning, not all not all signs are changed. Therefore, this is still neither, right? This is still neither because not all signs are changed. Next, how about this one? 44 x squared minus 2x plus 10. So yep, let's substitute negative x. So we will have 44 times negative x squared minus 2 times negative x plus 10. So we will have, as a result, 44x squared plus 2x plus 10. So now let's compare 44x squared, the same, negative 2x, positive 2x, not the same, and 10, and here 10, the same. So meaning only one of them changes its sign. Therefore, this is still neither. Right? This is still neither. All right? And here, how about this one? Sin x plus cosine x. So if I substitute with negative x, this would be what? Sin x. Oops. Hold on. Hold on. Okay. So here we will have negative sin x plus cosine of negative x. So if you recall your trigonometry lessons, if your input is negative, this would become negative sin x. If you have cosine of negative x, you will have still a positive cosine x. Yeah, no changes. It is still positive cosine x. All right. So this one is specifically this is trigonometry lesson, even and odd trigonometric functions. So yeah. So going back, here we will have negative sin x, and here we will have cosine x. So what's the difference? The difference is that it's the only sign that changes its sign. Because look, positive, negative, positive, positive. Therefore, this is what? Neither. Because not all signs are changed. Okay, and that's it, guys. It seems like all of the answers are neither. So yun lang naman, guys. That's how you figure out even, sorry. That's how you will figure or determine if your function is an even function, odd function, or yeah, neither of the two. So anyways, guys, that's it. Thank you for listening, and I'm Martin Jove, and sorry. That's it, guys. So yeah, that is all that I can do. I I'm hoping that at least you learned something from me, and I am not Indian paid and always here to guide you in mathematics. See you.